Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt for you.
I'm excited about this one.
I am too. We got a beautiful tri-color butter black. Is this the wedge or the fan?
This was a fan.
This is the
Side fan fold.
Side fan fold. I'm a fan.
Well, I think you're going to be even more of a fan when we open her up.
I hope so. Right here with the cold water. Get my initial coat off of it. To the inside.
Meow.
Meow.
Okay.
Got it inside with some warm water now. Gotta start getting it unbanded.
Oh, they already got on the screen.
Oh.
Couldn't pick it up.
It
It did.
It happens sometimes, folks.
Food?
Ooh, look at all that color. Look at that design. Here's the city. Look at that beauty in there, man.
I'm telling you.
Plus they're doing all sorts of cool new designs. Got a good idea for the one. Maybe we'll give it a try. Especially simple stuff like this. Stuff like this is exactly what we want. Almost there, people. Lots of bands, so we're getting in.
I love it when it leaves just enough white that you can tell where the pattern starts and stops.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Let's see what we got.
This look.
Ooh.
Cool.
Yeah. I like the side fan fold. I'm a fan. I'm a fan.
I think it turned out very well. It almost looks like a dream catcher.
Yeah.
Looks like with feathers.
That's pretty awesome. I like that.
I think it turned out
That
great.
is awesome. Oh yeah. Cool. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that beautiful side fan fold. It just kind of fans out from that direction all the way across the shirt. Oh yeah. Beautiful tricolor, great striation. Oh yeah, look at that. Good gradient across it. Overall, just a wonderful, wonderful shirt. Look at that. That is gonna look beautiful. Oh yeah. So, this one here I think may already be spoken for, but it may not. I'm not exactly sure. You have to look on Etsy to see, but we're gonna definitely make some more of these side fan folds. And probably even in this color scheme, because this is one of our more popular, the black with the tricolor. So, yeah, people really seem to like this one for some reason. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.